Now the question arises how to imagine it, how they are vibrating, because this is the fundamental frequency mode. And in this frequency, how it is vibrating? Let's see how it is vibrating. You see how it is vibrating. Hello friends, in this video I am going to start of solving 2021 physics paper, that is of SSB non-government aided college. Okay, so in today's lecture I am going to solve only the first question as a warm up. Okay, so as a warm up I am going to solve only the first question. Okay, so let's see the solution, the question. Okay, the question is, the a one-dimensional coupled harmonic oscillator consists of two identical masses. Okay, identical masses means both have same masses, the two bodies have same masses, or the particle have same masses, connected to three identical springs. Okay, three identical springs. Identical, you means that means both springs have same force constant. Okay, and the free ends of the springs are fixed to two parallel walls. Okay, it can move on a frictionless horizontal surface. Okay, that means the two masses are the vibrating in one dimension. Okay, this is in this line they are vibrating. Both masses are vibrating in one dimension. Okay, and frictionless horizontal surface. Which of the following statement is true about the motion of a coupled oscillator if it is in a normal mode? The last line is very crucial to understand. Okay, it is mentioned that if it is in a this line is very important, in a normal mode. Okay, as there are two masses. Okay, that means it has the whole system has two modes of oscillation, or we can say two normal modes. Okay, and in the question it has mentioned that the system is at a time in a normal mode. That means it is not in a superposition of both normal mode. Remember, this is the important thing you should remember. You should take it in your mind. Okay, it is in a normal mode, only in a single mode. Okay, let's suppose the two normal frequencies are omega 1 and omega 2. Then it is mentioning that the system is either in the omega 1 vibration or in omega 2 vibration, not in superposition. But ideally, any system, if you see, it is in a superposition state. Okay, that means the two masses vibrates or oscillates with the superposition of two frequencies. But here in this case, the situation is much more simpler. Okay, and I hope you have the question paper and you know all the options. These are four options. You read it. Okay. Okay. So now let's see the solution. Okay. This is the question and this is the solution. Okay. So this is the scenario. This is the scenario. These are two ends. Okay. This is the end. This is the end. And these three springs are connected, and their end are connected to the rigid supporter. Okay, these are those two supporters. Okay, these are three springs, first one, second one, third one, and they are identical. Okay, and the masses are also identical. This is M and this is M. Okay, now what you have to find? We have to find the normal modes. So what can you do? You have to first find the potential energy. This is the potential energy. Here this eta 1 and eta 2 are the displacement. Okay, I am not taking x1 x2. These are something we can say. This eta 1 and eta 2 are the transformation of those type of is a kind of net displacement in terms of x1 and x2, and that x1 and x2 is translated as eta 1 and eta 2. Okay, so this is the potential energy. This is the final potential energy, and the translation the kinetic energy is this. Okay, now what you have to find? To find the normal modes for the normal frequency, we have to put this value of potential energy and kinetic energy in the secular equation. This is the secular equation, and it is equal to 0. So after solving, I am not going to solve this. Okay, it will take lots of time. Okay, so after solving, you will get omega 1. This is the fundamental frequency, and the omega 2 is the fast overturn. Okay, that means this omega 2 is equal to 1.733 times omega 1. Okay, that means the second overturn or the second mode of frequency is 1.73 times greater than this first fundamental mode. Okay, now the question arises how to imagine it, how they are vibrating, because this is the fundamental frequency mode, and in this frequency how it is vibrating. Let's see how it is vibrating. You see how it is vibrating. You see, it is written that 1.00 into omega naught. This here in the frequency, you see the cursor. Okay, this is for the fundamental frequency 1.00 omega naught. Omega naught means root over of k by m, fundamental frequency. So if I on this, you see how it is vibrating. You see, both are simultaneously moving right and both are simultaneously moving left. Okay, if I make it very slow, you can see, both are moving right at the same time, both are moving left at the same time. Okay, and you can see in this mode it is written as normal modes. Okay, these are for two masses. If you add more masses, then the fundamental frequency is this. You see, but as in the question it is mentioned about only two masses system, so we will restrict our argument on the basis of two masses. Okay, so this is the kinds of situation. Both are moving left, both are moving right. Okay, so now, okay, this is one mode of oscillation. This is the fundamental mode. Okay, now there is another mode. This is the that is known as fast overtone. This much. So how it is vibrating? You will see. I will off this. I will on this. You see, this is 1.73 omega naught. Okay, that means this is the fast overtone. You see how it is vibrating. You see, both are moving towards each other. At the same time, they are moving away from each other. Okay, you see this system. This is the fast overtone. Okay, so this is one kind of oscillation, and this is another kind of oscillation. Okay, this is one mode, and this is another mode. Okay, but naturally, if you see any system, if you see any system, the system is in the superposition of both modes. Okay, like this. Here I have off the fast fundamental frequency, and I have on the fast overtone. But if I superpose, if you want to superpose both modes, then how it really looks like? You see, I have on both modes, then it is looking like this. Okay, this is a superposition state. Okay, but our question is given that for a normal mode only, if it is in a normal mode, that means the system can be in the fundamental mode or can be in the fast overtone. So which option will be correct? You see, in the option A, it is written that all parts of the oscillator is oscillating sinusoidally with the frequency of the mode. This is the correct one. Okay, and the option B is not correct, because it is given that all parts of the oscillator is oscillating with a linear combination of the two frequencies. Okay, you see, it is given that linear combination. Linear combination means superposition. As in the question it is mentioned that it is in a single mode only. If it is mentioned that it is in superposition mode, then this option B will be the correct one. But as it is not mentioned like this, so option A is the correct one. Okay, all parts of the oscillator is oscillating sinusoidally with the frequency of the mode. You see, of this is all particles. You see, first particle, second particle, both are moving in the with that frequency. If I off this and I will on this first overtone, then both the two particles are moving or oscillating with that first overtone frequency. Okay, so that's why the first option A is the correct one. Okay, so hope you got the answer. Thank you.